saw your face in the moon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michaela, or MK for short. I am going to show you how I achieve this look of curling my hair with a straightener, this cheese straightener. I used to do this all the time in high school, and it has probably been, it's been multiple years since I've successfully gotten this look, since even college when I used to do this. Kind of a backstory as to why I stopped curling my hair with a straightener and curling my hair at all is because I actually cut my hair shoulder length a couple of years ago, and it took me a really long time to perfect this technique again and be able to curl my hair with a straightener. I will say I do like using the cheese straightener for this technique because it has the rounded edges. This is what I used to use in high school, in college. This is what I used today, of course. I had a Paul Mitchell straightener that had a wider clamp to it up here with the heating. I don't know if they were ceramic or titanium or what it was here, the heating elements, but it didn't curl as well. It was too wide, and then it also, the square edges did not curl as well either, but it was a wonderful straightener. But I really like the cheese straightener in order to curl your hair with. You could also use any other straightener that has a very similar style to it, that has that rounded edge to it. I think that'll work just as well too. So anyways, if you want to stick around for the video, feel free to do so, and we're gonna get into curling our hair with a straightener right now. I specifically put on makeup for y'all because I looked like a hot mess. It is snowing here in Texas today. It snowed yesterday. We got the huge ice storm snow situation going on. And today I'm wearing this nice black turtleneck that makes me look like a poet. At least that's how I feel. You know, when they snap for poets. Is that what they do? I don't know. Okay, so I haven't washed my hair in a day or so. This is like day old hair or whatever you want to call it. So I'm a little bit oily, which if you've seen some of my previous hair care videos, I should probably be washing my hair soon because of my skin, but that's another video. I will link it here as to why I say that. But anyways, the main thing that I'm trying to get at is I like to curl my hair. You want to do like second day hair to curl. I would like to go in layers. So I would just do a couple layers. So I'm gonna put back part of my hair here and just claw clip it back. Oh, excuse me, my nose is a little runny. And then I'm just going to take my straightener, which has been heating as I'm talking. It's very hot right now. Some heat protectant. I'm just gonna brush the heat protectant in. Now we can get started. So I always like to think about when you're curling your hair with a straightener, I always think about it as if like I was trying to curl a ribbon when I was younger, when you would do that with scissors. You take scissors and you like just curl a ribbon by like going like that. So that's how you use the curl or the straightener to curl your hair. And you can go in different directions to make things look more natural. Just take the straightener and you do that. And I like to hold up here to make sure we get it nice. Look at that. You get a really nice curl. It's a little tight, but you know, we can always try and get it to look a little looser. But I'm just gonna do that all over my head now. And I might go in different directions, but I think my issue is that when I start to go in a different direction, I start messing it up. So we go the way we know, you know? We got some nice curls here. But you see like what I mean when I say, like it's like you're curling a ribbon when you're younger, when you would just take the scissors and make sure that the hair or the ribbon was just kind of hitting the edge of the scissors as you twisted them. And you get a nice curl. So, I mean, they're coming out really good for a first time in a while. I may have to do this more often, but we'll see how this ends up. Wish me luck, guys.
wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die.
I'm going to just take my claw clip out and do another layer here, but I'm gonna do just a little bit. I'm not gonna take this whole layer out because I get overwhelmed and then pull out too much hair and then it really doesn't look good.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up.
Kind of got a straight piece that didn't curl. If you take too much hair, then you end up getting the entire amount that you're trying to do not to curl. So you really want to take smaller strands than I just took right then. Like about like this would probably be better, or smaller sections is how I should say it, not strands. If you did one strand of hair, that would be absurd. Okay, and we're getting really nice like loose curls, like kind of like curls that you would get coming out of the salon. That's what I'm feeling like this is looking. So I've got a really small section there. And if I see too many straight pieces, I'll just go and like get the ends of them. Like that. We can always spot curl as well. It's looking good. So I'm gonna move over to the other side.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah.
And now we're gonna do the top layer. So I'm gonna start back here because the front is super crucial to do well. And I also feel like if I do the front first, then the curls up here are going to cover the curls back here. Like I'm not gonna be able to see what I'm doing back here. My hair will be too big by then. So we're gonna start back here. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm getting up here, like I said. That's the big issue, is once you get to the top, you've got a really long way to go down and it starts to pull and tug. So sometimes you have to redo it, or you have to only do half of the curl and then do the other half afterwards. So what I mean by that, so if you accidentally let go and then you don't get the rest, see how I got the top but I didn't get the bottom? What I'm gonna do is just go after the bottom now. Pull it through like that. Then you get that curl all the way. front strand. So we'll see how this goes. I think typically when you're doing a front strand, you don't want it to be curly up here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna kind of straighten that top part, and then we're gonna start right here and curl halfway, half of the strand, and do it kind of loose. So like that. And now I look like Farrah Fawcett, right? Right. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this other half that I haven't finished yet.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly.
So I'm trying to think. We want to go this way. So we straighten like that. And then we go to the bottom and we curl inward. Oh, I actually went the wrong way. I don't know if I can redo it. I should have curled outward. So I'm gonna let it cool real quick.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
But I do think I have to stop going over it with my straightener. At this point, we probably should stop going over it. Okay, that's good, right? Right. What I'm gonna do next, since I look like I've got, you know, a lot of hair now, I'm gonna just take some hairspray, flip it over, and run my hands through my curls. You could probably brush them out too and get very natural looking curls. We just kind of throw that piece back. No one will know. I hope you liked today's video of me attempting to curl my hair with a flat iron and you got the idea of how this actually works. I may have messed up just a teeny tiny bit and you really don't want to run your flat iron over your hair as many times as I did on that front strand. But you know, we make mistakes, we live and we learn, and hopefully I can do this a little bit better down the road. But I hope you figured out some good ways to go about doing this, and I gave you some good angles to see how to actually curl curl your hair with a straightener. So if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and come back here to more whatever.